Welcome back, friends. Today I'm so excited to bring you a summer from porch decorate with me. We're creating a simple and cozy outdoor space using fresh florals, lush greenery, thrifted treasures, and a few of my favorite DIY decor pieces. If you're new here, I'm Sonja, and this is At Home with Sonja, where I share all things home decor, seasonal styling, and simple, affordable ways to make your home feel beautiful and welcoming all year round. I'm keeping it light, relaxed, and intentional for summer because sometimes less really is more. So if you love budget-friendly decorating ideas, a touch of DIY charm, and that laid-back summertime feel, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a seasonal refresh. Let's head outside and start decorating. So here's a little look at how my front porch was looking. Yes, I still had my Easter decor up, and the weather has been less than ideal. It was actually only about 10 degrees Celsius the day I filmed this, even though it's mid-May. But it was definitely time to give this space some love. And of course, I brought out my two dogs since they insisted on coming out with me. They're always curious when I'm decorating and love being part of the action. You've probably seen them wandering around in my videos. They are my little creative assistants and never far from my side when I'm working on projects. Whether I'm setting up a new space or filming a DIY, they're right there supervising every step. I got started by removing everything. I won't show the cleaning part, but just know I did give everything a good sweep, remove the old decor, and scrub the decor clean. It feels so good to start with a clean slate, and sometimes that's the most motivating part, right? I'm starting off by hanging the wooden home sign. It used to live in my foyer, but I've got something exciting and brand new going in there. If you follow my DIY channel, you might have already seen it. And if not, make sure to check out the links in the description box. I've got lots of budget-friendly decor ideas there. Next, I'm adding DIY pottery bar inspired forsythia wreath, which brings in the perfect summer pop of yellow. I also hung up my two DIY wreaths. I did consider reworking these wreaths this year, but haven't quite found the inspiration yet. Maybe it'll come later this season, you never know. Now, one of my favorite porch staples, this old rocking chair I found on Facebook Marketplace for $20 years ago. I painted in black and let Mother Nature do the distressing over the seasons. I added a fun lemon themed pillow cover from Timu because lemons and pops of yellow are my go-to summer decor. If you're enjoying the summer decorate with me so far, I'd love if you gave it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps support my channel, and I love having you here as part of this cozy decorating community. So let's talk about these spots for a minute. I'm not loving the way my recent makeover turned out. I might need to tweak the color, maybe something deeper or just add more texture. But for now, I'm working with what I've got. I picked up two beautiful ferns from Costco for $20 each. They're actually hanging baskets, but I'm removing the hangers and placing them into my pots for that lush green summer porch vibe. To raise them up a bit, I'm using leftover pavers inside the pots. That trick works like a charm. I usually rotate between ferns and palms for my front porch pots. There's just something about that tropical look that feels right for summer. I'm keeping my vintage wash basin in its usual spot, but refreshing it up with a colorful floral arrangement I found at Costco. It was $42, and while I usually keep things more neutral with just greenery, this year I'm embracing a bit of color. I love the mix of blooms and the draping greenery. There's even a lily or two in there that'll pop as it blooms. I decided to bring in some of my thrifted and made over lanterns. The large one was a garage sale find that I gave a fresh coat of spray paint to match my style. The smaller one I've had for years, I gave it all a a refresh so they would all coordinate better together, and I really love how they look grouped together out there. I have three lanterns total. You'll see where I styled the third one in just a bit. Then came my layered outdoor rugs, both from Hobby Lobby from years ago. We actually picked these up on a trip to Buffalo while we were at the dance competition in Niagara Falls, Canada. I love pieces that have memories attached, even if it's not a decorating related memory. It's still a great memory. Also, don't be afraid to reuse and restyle what you already have in your home. Now, moving on to the other side of the porch, I wanted to create a just picked up from garden moment with a thrifted basket and some florals for now. But once the garden is in full bloom, I will definitely use some fresh ones. I also added a Dollarama concrete citronella candle in this beautiful concrete pot for just $4. Once the candle burns down, I might reuse the pot or even pour a new candle into it and use it indoors. They have few different designs currently in the store, so check them out if you are looking for some concrete looking pots or concrete pots with candles. This little setup brings in a storybook summer charm that just love, and it's a great example of how simple items can tell a visual story. In the corner, I tucked that third lantern. This one I didn't paint because I love the original finish. And to finish it all off, I'm adding two yellow lumber pillows from HomeSense to tie everything together. They've been in my summer stash for years, and then they're just the right finishing touch for this cozy porch refresh. And that's it, my friends. My simple and cozy summer from porch is ready for the season. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was, and if there's anything you change, especially those planters. I'm open to your ideas. If you loved this front porch decorate with me, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got some seasonal home decor and easy DIYs heading your way soon. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create and welcoming space for your own for this summer. See you in the next one.